Welcome to the Ultimate Animals in Nature Quiz Part 2. From the jungle to the ocean, and from basic fun facts to expert-level science. Let's see how much you really know about the natural world. Let's go! What's the only continent without native reptiles or snakes? Snowflake. A. Africa. B. Europe. C. Antarctica. D. Asia. C. Antarctica. Which animal is known as the king of the jungle? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Leopard. D. Jaguar. B. Lion. Which bird has the largest wingspan? Dove. A. Albatross. B. Eagle. C. Condor. D. Pelican. A. Wandering albatross, up to 12 feet. How many hearts does an octopus have? Octopus. A. 1B, 2C, 3D, 4. C. 3. What is the largest living species of lizard? A. Iguana. B. Bearded dragon. C. Komodo dragon. D. Gila monster. C. Komodo dragon. Thanks for playing. See you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe.